This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone. Today I'm presenting my eighth session, which is the part of Quick Knowledge Upgrade series, which is based on Oracle Database 19C. And one thing I want to share that today this is the 100th video of my of my YouTube channel. So welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is Oracle Ride. So today is the big day for me. This is the 100th session video which I will upload. So today I will discuss about very important things, which is basically the components of Oracle database when you create actually. So Oracle database basically include extra options that are not covered by the basic license. Some of these options are enabled by default when creating new databases. So organizations that enable extra options without licensing are out of compliance. So Oracle provides a number of database options and management packs for the Oracle database, which are licensable extra cost options. So unfortunately, many of our clients are surprised to learn that they are unknowingly using unlicensed database options and management packs and are therefore out of compliance. So the reason for the conclusion is due to the fact that depending on the version, database option and management packs are installed and many are enabled automatically. So as a post implementation step, organization should evaluate which database options and management packs meet the needs of the organization and determine if additional licensing is required. So this is very important point and topic for the DBA. So any database option and management packs that are not licensed should be disabled prior to creating and using Oracle databases to prevent accidental usage. Okay, so Oracle organization should check usage on a regular basis to highlight compliance issues early and limit financial risk. Okay, uh, prior to Oracle 11G release 2, Oracle provide an option to select or deselect database option during the installation process of the Oracle database. But as of 11G R2 and later, this option is not available, and all of the components that are licensed under the specific database edition are installed, and many are enabled automatically. So, if you want to enable and disable Oracle database options after installation, so with a database version 11G release 2, Oracle introduced the CHOPT tool that allows to enable or disable option in the Oracle database executable in a more comfortable fashion. So suppose if I type CHOPT, so see that we can enable, we can disable, and options are Oracle Advanced Analytics, Oracle OLAP, Oracle Partitioning, Oracle Real Application Testing, that is RAT. So if you want to enable or disable, you can choose the small word keyword like RAT, like OLAP, like OAA, and partitioning. So today is the topic is based on CHOPT. So this tool change your database options after installation. So to enable or disable, you need to shut down the database. Okay, and after that you can use. So this tool is basically command line utility, and this will reside is where. Let me show you. CD dollar Oracle home slash bin. Okay, so this will be reside here. Okay, and if you want to use it, so you can use CHOPT enable or CHOPT disable, and after that DB options like OLAP, RAT, partitioning, and all. Okay, and suppose I want to disable OLAP. Okay, so for that, first I will check some information in my database. So before going to that, I will go to my database. So now here I will set the column things, and then I will check select a star from version. So this is my 19C, and after that, after that, I will check some other options, which is from V dollar option. Okay, so let me show you. I will check OLAP actually. So I will go for OLAP. So see that my OLAP option is true. And if you check in the registry also, so let me show you that. So there is a query select column comp ID, comp name status from DB registry and all. So see that this is valid actually. Okay. So now we had checked that. Now what I will do, I will shut down the database. Oh, I will shut down the database. And after shutdown, I will go to OS prompt. So let me clear. So now we are here. Okay. Now what I will do, I will say chopt disable OLAP. Okay. So this is the command. And when I do that, it will write into the disable log. Okay, and this is db underscore one. Then there is a install folder. In that, it will write the logs, and then user bin make hyphen f, and that is a lib library file actually. So that library file olap off, it is pointing here, this one. Okay, and in the second line it is making I oracle home. Okay, now this is done. Now again come back to my SQL plus. Oh, yeah, so come back here, and now I will say startup because I shut down the database actually. And after that I will check the OLAP feature. So see that now it is false. So it is disabled. Okay. So this is the way you can check that. Now if I check DBA underscore registry, so what will happen over there? So here nothing changed actually. Okay. So for that, the component in the DBA registry remain installed and valid, but the banner showing during the logging, no, but V dollar option that OLAP is no longer part of executable. Okay. So for that, what you will do when you enable or disable OLAP, you must run the sys dot xoq underscore validate and sys dot aps underscore validate procedure to update the database registry. So when you disable OLAP, its status in the database registry should be option off actually, just like this rack option is off, so it should be like this. So this is the way we can enable or disable the components which are not required and which may cost to more financial things to the clients. Okay, so that's it. I hope this information is valuable for you guys, And today is, as I said, my 100 videos. So I will upload it. And so please subscribe, like, comments, so that many people can get it, the information, and you can also share so many people get the advantages of these short-term topic series. And if still you are in the dilemma for subscribing my channel, so just subscribe it and join our community so that you can check our premium content. Okay. So thanks again for being here and happy learning. Bye. Take care.